What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this is the moment we've all been waiting for, and it's got to do with that right there. Look at this beautiful, I mean, it's just gorgeous, man. I mean, like, everything about it, it just fits so well. Bigger diameter, no cat. I'm sorry, it has a cat if the cops are listening. Of course, the Yoshi back on. Everything fitted up well. Another mod I did, gas cap. Look at that thing. That is a huge mod for like 30 bucks. So can't really go wrong there. I got maybe, I don't know, I think it's like $450 in the headers, and then they don't make the Alpha T anymore, but I think that was like $4 something. So right around like 800 bucks. Of course, this is the more expensive route, because I really didn't plan to do all this. So this is about 800 bucks, get you to here. Oh, check this out. I said in my last video about it, but that was like $20 or like 15 bucks. Awesome mod, awesome mod. Huge thanks to my stepdad for taking time out of his day and helping me with this, because it was a little bit of a project. Get everything lined up and just together takes time. But a huge issue I had was this and this weren't going. The Alpha T was a little bit too big for it to just slip over, so I went to Harbor Freight, got a little muffler expander thing, and just expanded it like 1/10 of an inch. All you got to do is crank it with a ratchet, and it just swells it a little bit, just enough for it to get over. Can use the gasket maker and all the JB Weld and the stuff that comes with it. I just don't like doing that. I like having the ability to take it on and off with ease if I ever wanted to switch it. But to each their own. If you want to do that, by all means do it. But it was $10 or 15 bucks for the expander from Harbor Freight, and it worked amazing. So I'd highly recommend that if you're doing that and have an Alpha T. Other than that, let's see what this thing sounds like. I must say, when I was driving over here, nothing but smiles, and it is so loud. It sounds like a 9mm or a shotgun going off in my ear. It definitely gives you that Gsx-S sound, more of like a lower growl instead of like a higher like it used to have before. And right now after I say this, I'll put up all the before and afters of the stock system, the Yoshi, and then no exhaust at all. It's insane how the difference from just the exhaust and a couple $100 can just change the whole bike together. You can just tell from the no exhaust, it's unbelievable how loud this thing is now compared to that, and it's just the piping. So let's get in on a ride. Alright, so we're back. Okay, so right here you're going to hear a loud bang, and I hope y'all are ready for it. When I tell you guys that this is unbelievable, I truthfully mean it. I am blown away with how this sounds. I mean, I've drove this bike for 9,000 miles and I thought I knew it in and out, but this gives it a total different perspective. It is absolutely unreal how loud and how good this thing sounds. Oh my god. Like, you can make it crackle a little bit, like right here you should be able to hear a little bit of crackles. right? But if you wanted to get really ignorant, you just do that right there. I thought I had bad gas mileage before. This is nothing. So, buy it. I mean, that's all I can say. It was tuned for my slip-on and the stock header. It's not tuned for this now, but I'm going to send it back out to Chris Moore and get it completely dialed in so we don't have to worry about any kind of issues. I can definitely feel a little bit when I'm kind of getting higher up in RPMs. It kind of just hits a flat spot and then it'll come back. So, I'm sure that the air fuel is just insane right now, just with so much more air getting through it. So I'm not going to drive it as much as I'd like to. I really just want to get this video out for you guys because I know everybody's been waiting so long, and me too. It's just time's been getting away and just trying to work, and oh my god, life's just life, you know. I am absolutely satisfied with this. So I just pulled out the gas station, and a lot of looks. A lot of looks. This is crazy. I can't even have a conversation with y'all, man. Like, hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And yeah, dude, it's not happening. So this is what this bike needed. Cannot wait. I have a sprocket coming for it, so give it a little bit more attitude down low, and then this is going to get retuned for the header and all. So this thing's going to be a torque monster here soon. I'm coming after Austin in his MT-07. I'm trying to get him, man. I really am. Can't have it embarrass us like that ever again, you know? Them Yamaha guys, you know how they are. But if you guys like the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stick around if you're new. Be seeing you on the flip side. Peace.